Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep building our GSuite Recreate. We're going to keep working on finish our template. In this video, we're going to try our best to finish our account registration. And then once we finish that part, we're going to talk about single sign-on using Django. Because this is how it's going to work after I did some of research. Basically is that we want if user sign to one of our services, they automatically sign to all of them. So this is something that we want to do for single sign-on. We'll talk about that when we get there. All right. So now let's see. So basically, what's going to happen next is the user will be able to click on next, and it will prompt to next page. So it will be prompt them to a next page where they can type their phone number for additional verification. But in here we'll say this: if request message equals to post, and then in here we'll say first name equals to request post. Let me get here. Yeah. So let's give a name. First name, last name, password, confirmation, not here. The name is username. Alright, so got first name, last name, username, password, confirmation. Alright. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let me go to the Bootstrap website again. And then let me head down to component. Let's go alert. Alright, so here you're gonna get the danger alert up. And I want to go have the ability to close as well. Yeah. Let me go ahead and say here, if message danger. Okay, let's see if we say message. Let's give a span class here, and here will be the actual message. Let's say if we return something like message equals to hello. Alright. I think I also need to link JavaScript if I want to do that. So let me go back and then link this JavaScript file as well. Let me go to the space. Let's put it down here. There we go. All right. Okay. So In here, we'll go ahead and say, we'll go ahead and check. So there are following stuff we need to check. Check user already exists. We'll do it in this order. Check password match. Check password match requirement. So requirement essentially want to be one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. I don't know, regex maybe is good, but I don't want to use regex. Maybe you can take a look if you want to use regex or not. Check if user already exists. And then yeah, that's pretty much all the validation step we need to do. Alright. So in here we'll say if password equals to confirmation, then it's not equals to confirmation actually. Then in here I want to say return the same template but with message of confirmation. Please double check your password and confirmation must match each other. Okay, alright, next if check password match requirement. So let's take a look regex. Let's take a look at cheat sheet. Let's say regex for password validation in Python. I'll just take a look directly. Okay, let's say this. So in here, we'll go create another function. Actually, let's just create a helpers function here. And in here, we'll go and say import string. And in here, maybe we'll say def validate password. Get the password here. So again, the requirement is 8 to 20 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one special symbol, at least one number, and at least one special character. Alright. Let's go back. Alright, so we'll try this without regex first. We'll say if length of the password is greater than 20 word length of the password less than 8, we'll say return false. Alright, return false. And then we're gonna say at least one uppercase letter. And I need to do a for loop for this. For I in ASCII lowercase. If I equals to string the for J in password. If they are equals to each other, then we can just break. Maybe here's a return. Maybe it's a status. By default, it's all gonna be equals to false. Return status. But in here is a status. Okay, wait. Let me think. How can we do this validation thing? So if we loop through the password, if everything's correct, don't break. Here's a past equals to true. Past is not equals to true. Then just a return false. So maybe it's just gonna be faster. Now essentially to copy this, and then still ASCII lowercase, is say ASCII uppercase. And then say pass equals to false again. And then what we're gonna do is we'll check for number. Okay, I'm gonna refactor this out to maybe another function. Check stir in stir. Alright. So that's one, and that's two. This is kind of like substring, actually, I have to say. So we can say check stir in stir. We're gonna say password and ASCII lowercase. And then if equals to false, and return false. And then I have uppercase. And then I have digits. Then we have punctuations. Alright. This is like password validation. If you pass all that, turn true. Alright, so in here we'll say from helpers, import check validate password. Alright, so in here say if validate password, which you can take in a password, equals to false, then I'm gonna return the statements. Please double check your password and confirmation. Here I say your password must be between 8 to 20 characters long, have at least one each lowercase letter, uppercase letter, digit, special character. Done, done, done. Alright. Let's just try it out, see if it works. And then of course I need to add a button here. Say button type equals to submit. register, and in here say class button primary. Okay. Let's say boolean, my name here, password. Let's try one that I'm pretty sure should work. Username. I just say DevWithMe. Register. Okay. 1 sec. It's supposed to return an error. Oh, we're not. Okay. Yeah, I mean that works. Okay. Yeah, it works. Because just runs through here and then return templates again. All right. But then if I try one that doesn't work. Yep. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think the password validation works. All right. So then let's check if user already exists. We'll say user.objects.get username equals to this username. Try and accept. We'll say user does not exist. Say pass, but for you, we'll go as a return. And then username already exists. All right. If it does, okay. And then what's gonna happen is if it passes all that, what we want to do is redirect them. See if it works. Return, redirect. I'll redirect them to register. And then step 2. And maybe we should say phone. But in here, we'll just say request.session. Password. First name. And the last name. All right, let's go implement the step 2. Let's say render authentication / phone.html. All right. So here's what I will do. I will go to my e-commerce and then grab that. All right, in here. Let me take a look. Okay, that should be on the front. Let's grab no, that's the code. All right. Let's copy this then. And this is pretty much how I want the thing to look for now. And then here's a phone.html. Stands authentication / base.html. Block title. Oh no. Alright, first step, let's hide the select. Alrighty, let's go to URLs and set this up. Alright, so password is phone. Oh, it's /auth/register /phone. Okay, we messed up there, clearly. Okay, for now, we're not really worried about it too much. And in here, let's give a form. Maybe that's gonna work. CSRF token. Is that the part? Alright. Still doesn't look good. But here's a submit. For verification. And to ensure minimum spam, we require user to have a working phone number that can receive SMS. Alright, so once I click on it, what we're going to say is we're going to go back. Oops, that's way too back. We're going to send them a message. So we need to install Twilio first. Alright, installing that. I can copy this. Alright. Then we can say see the message. Alright. Alright, there we go. Okay. In here say the 2FA code. Okay, so the country code is gonna be request.posts bracket country. Did I do underscore or? Hyphen. Okay. So hyphen here. We'll say the phone is request the post phone. All right. Okay. And the code is going to be randomly generated. So as always, I'm going to go to helpers and then create a new function that's going to do that. And equals to 6. All right, let's say return. Oops. And D4. Okay. I think it's a little bit too, just about 30 minutes. So we're gonna quickly finish stuff up here. So import random stir as well. So request a session. Let's say code equals to random stir. All right. So in here, we're gonna say code. All right. Let's say request a session bracket code equals to code. We're gonna now use session to track them. Not gonna use the other thing now. All right. Return render request. And in here, I'm going to say authentication / phone verify.html. All right. Okay, phone verify. Let's create a new template. Oops. All right. Oh, I did to copy this. This is like the longest one. All right. We send a 6-digit code to the phone number you provided. Please enter below. Input type equals to text. Name equals to code. Class equals to form control. All right. So in here, we're gonna have a action. Gonna divert them to /us/phone verify. Yeah, let's go ahead and say the phone verify equals to post, and our phone verify gonna be I can say, let's just say return HTTP response. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. Command and a dot. Okay, I don't think command dot's working. Let me just click on this quick fix. Jingle.html. Okay, should work either way. Here is a request post bracket code. All right, let's set everything up. pass register slash phone verify, comma views phone verify here. Alright. And I think I should work. But what I will do is, since I'm going to use my phone number to try it out, I'm going to try it out in my own time. And then in the next video, we're going to take a look. I'm going to tell you if it works or not. If you guys want to, you guys can create your own local copy. I'm going to publish the code to GitHub, which you can find link in description down below. But next video, we're going to spend like first half the video to finish the entire registration step up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start working on single sign-on. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys if you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. DevWithMe out.